Then we will go to the column and we have to go here step by step to all our points. First one is the configuration. It is a batch distillation column because we are simulating the complete column. The total number of stages are 10. The valid phase is vapor liquid. In overhead, it is total condenser and reflux drum is present. So you can see this is the condenser, this is the reflux drum, this is the column, this is pot, and this is the receiver number one. And in pressure and hold-ups, we will obviously specify it. Pot heat transfer is rigorous and initial condition is total reflux as we have discussed. Now we will go to the streams, and in product stream, obviously it is S3, which is this one. Then in pressure and hold-ups calculations options specified. The condenser pressure is 1.01325 bar. By default, it is zero point 0.1, and we are taking it as 0.1. And in hold-up, we will select it as volumetric cubic meter. That is 0.02 cubic meter. The start stage is 2. The end stage is 9. As I have told you that if it is 10, one of the stage represents the pot and the other stage represents the condenser. So the actual stage from 2 to 9, and that is 0.005 cubic meter. Then we will come to the condenser. No need to specify something here. Everything is okay. Going to the pot, and here we have to specify that the pot orientation is vertical. The head type, top and bottom both are elliptical. Here we will specify 10 length and volume. So in volume we will specify it as 0.8 cubic meter. And in 10 length, which represents this one, is 1 meter. We have now specified everything here about the overall configuration, the streams, the pressure and hold-up, spot, and in reflux, we will specify it as 1.1 as it has been given to us. So if you click on this column, for example, it will directly take you to the configuration part. If you click on this spot, it will take you to this part in receiver, accordingly in streams, in condenser, it will take you here, and in reflux, it will take you here. Then going to the heat transfer, because there are few parts which we have to specify as well. Heat transfer method is rigorous, and in jacket heating, we have to specify the duty. So the specified duty in kilowatt is 150 as it has been given to us. Then in initial conditions, we have to specify the charge. Total initial charge is 18 kmol per hour. And then in operating steps, we will click on this add new, and we will go here in O1, and the information that has been given to us operating changes is jacket heating, which is duty, which we have already specified. The unit is kilowatt and the value is 150. And the stop criteria is that we want to run this batch for 1 hour to see how much changes occur or how much separation takes place. So now we will click on this run button, and obviously it will take maybe 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds. So now you can see the results are available. Obviously, I have skipped the part, edited it. So obviously, it took me around 1 minute. So now we will go to first check the stream results, and we will now discuss the results one by one.